Important news: XRP's price is about to go through the roof. There was a big change in the case between Ripple and the SEC that was just made public. For years, XRP has been held back by the lack of clarity in the law. Perhaps that will soon change. With this latest event, investors are getting ready for a possible rise, and experts think XRP could be getting ready for a big move. The cryptocurrency market has been waiting for more information about Ripple's court case, and now we have some important news. If the result is good for Ripple, it might get rid of the biggest thing that is stopping XRP. This isn't just one more small step. This could be the moment that changes XRP's whole future. As people respond to the news, the price is already getting stronger. The real question is how big this move could be. There is a new development in the Ripple vs SEC case that is very important. We will explain why and how it might affect the price of XRP, with momentum rising and important resistance levels coming up. Things could change in the next few weeks. Let's talk about this case update in more depth and what it means for people who own XRP. What's new in the case between Ripple and the SEC is making waves in the cryptocurrency market. New information suggests that Ripple may finally win the legal fight that has been going on for years. Reports say that the case is getting closer to being over, and some lawyers think that a decision could be made sooner than thought. Assuming Ripple wins or comes to a good agreement, it could bring in a lot of big investors who have been sitting on the fence. The question of whether XRP should be considered a security has been one of the main points of this case. The SEC says that Ripple sold XRP without registering it, but Ripple has always said that XRP is a digital currency, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Recently, courts have ruled in favor of Ripple, calling into question the SEC's reasoning and even saying that some of their claims don't make sense. As long as the final decision says that XRP is not a security, there will be no more confusion about how to regulate the token in the US. This will be the biggest obstacle to widespread use. Experts in the law say that the SEC might have to pay, especially since Ripple just won in court. There would be no more appeals, no more uncertainty, and market trust would go up right away if there was a settlement. And it could also set a standard for other cryptocurrencies that are facing similar legal fights, which could change the whole crypto industry. One of the most important events in XRP's history is this case update. If Ripple wins, it will not only be a legal win, but it could also be the start of a huge price increase. But why is this decision so important? What does it mean for the future of XRP in the banking world? Let's break it down. There is more to the outcome of this lawsuit than just a court ruling. It might decide what will happen with XRP in the banking world in the future. Big companies haven't fully adopted XRP for years because regulators aren't sure what will happen with it. Large investors, banks, and payment providers have been hesitant to add XRP to their systems because they might get in trouble with the law. If Ripple wins or gets a good deal, though, that doubt might go away almost overnight. If regulations were clear, a lot of people would use it. XRP was made to be a bridge exchange for sending money across borders. Compared to traditional banking methods like SWIFT, it lets transactions happen quickly and cheaply. If the government gives the go-ahead, big banks could start using XRP on a much bigger scale. This would make more people want to buy XRP, which could push its price into new territory. Investor trust is another important factor. A lot of individual and business investors have been holding off because they don't know what will happen with the case. That question would go away if the decision was clear in Ripple's favor, which would bring in new buyers. That's what we've seen before. When the law makes it clear that a coin is legal, its price usually goes up because people are more confident in the market. This case could be a model for the whole crypto business, not just XRP. The SEC might not be able to go after other cryptocurrencies easily if the court says that XRP is not a security. This would bring much needed security to the market and could cause a bigger rally in all crypto. XRP is in a unique situation because of all of these things. The lawsuit news could make a big difference. What does this mean for the market, though? Let's look at where XRP stands on the market right now and where its price could go in the next few weeks. The market for XRP is better than it has been in years, and the price is already based on the latest lawsuit news. Key levels are being closely watched by traders and analysts to see how high XRP could go in the short run. At the moment, XRP is moving up because trading volume is going up and there is strong push to buy. We might see a breakout sooner than thought if this trend keeps going. A look at the numbers shows that there are a few main levels of resistance at around $1.50. There is the first big obstacle, which has been a strong obstacle in past rallies. The next big goal for XRP is its all-time high of $3.84 if it can break through this level. In the past, once a coin has surpassed its previous high point, it goes into price discovery mode, which means that there is no set resistance that stops it from going even higher. Some experts think that XRP could even reach $10 this cycle if the law is made clear about it and institutions start to use it more quickly. The growing interest from big buyers or whales is another sign of a possible rally. New data from the blockchain shows that big XRP users have been buying more tokens, a sign that they think the price will go up a lot. When whales start to buy, it's often the start of a big step forward. If big banks start buying XRP after the court decision, demand could go through the roof, driving prices well above where they are now. The market is also becoming more positive about XRP. In the past few weeks, there have been a lot more online conversations, search trends, and social media activity about XRP. In the past, when excitement grows around a coin, it brings in even more investors, which leads to higher demand and higher prices. It's possible that small investors will join the rise in support of XRP if it keeps going up. This would speed up its growth even more. XRP is in a good spot because the case is almost over and there's signs that prices will go up. Even though everything looks good, there are still problems and risks that could slow its growth. Take a look at the things that buyers should know about any possible problems. Even though the future looks very bright for XRP, investors should still be aware of the risks and difficulties that lie ahead. There are risks with every purchase, and XRP is no different. The lawsuit update is a big step forward, but the market is unpredictable, and there are many things that could briefly stop or slow down XRP's progress. The chance of an SEC appeal is one of the biggest risks. If Ripple wins, the SEC could try to appeal the decision, which would make the legal fight last even longer. This might not stop the growth of XRP, but it might slow price changes for a while buyers wait for the legal process to end. While an appeals process that takes too long might slow down institutional uptake, some businesses may wait for everything to be clear before committing fully to XRP. Overall, market instability is another thing that could get in the way. The price of cryptocurrencies often goes up and down a lot, and XRP is no different.